Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Asmaul Husna. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Mughaymin, Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari, Al-Musawwir, Al-Ghaffar, Al-Qahhar, Al-Wahhab, Al-Razzaq, Al-Fattah, Al-Alim, Al-Qabil, Al-Basit, Al-Khafir, Al-Rafi', Al-Mu'in, Al-Mudillu, Al-Sami', Al-Basir, Al-Hakam, Al-Adil, Al-Latif, Al-Khabir, Al-Halim, Al-Alim, Al-Ghafur, Al-Shakur, Al-Ali, Al-Kabir, Al-Hafil, Al-Mukid, Al-Hafiz, Al-Jalil, Al-Karim, Al-Rakib, Al-Mujib, Al-Wasi', Al-Hakim, Al-Wadud, Al-Majid, Al-Ba'is, Al-Shahid, Al-Haqqu, Al-Wakil, Al-Qabi, Al-Matin, Al-Wali, Al-Hamid, Al-Muhsi, Al-Mubdi, Al-Mu'id, Al-Muhid, Al-Mumit, Al-Hayyu, Al-Qayyum, Al-Walid, Al-Majid, Al-Wahid, Al-Ahad, Al-Samad, Al-Qadir, Al-Muqtadir, Al-Muqaddim, Al-Muakhir, Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, Al-Zahir, Al-Batin, Al-Wali, Al-Muta'ali, Al-Barru, Al-Tawwabu, Al-Muntaqim, Al-Ghafu, Al-Ra'uf, Malikul Mulki, Dzul Jalali wal Ikram, Al-Muqsid, Al-Jami', Al-Ghani, Al-Muhni, Al-Mani', Al-Dharu, Al-Nafi', Al-Nur, Al-Hadi, Al-Badir, Al-Baqi, Al-Waris, Al-Rashid, Al-Sabur.